Hello, this is a smart braille come education system for the blind. As we all know, even in this pandemic, virtual learning is the only source of learning. Have you ever thought about the blind people, how they can get access to the virtual learning? There's a no such any system so that the blind people can use the internet or the computer for the learning. I think why can't make a device so that the blind people can also be able to learn? As we all know, blind people are restricted to read and learn only those things which are printed in braille. They are unable to use the computer, so I made a device by which they can able to use the computer or the internet, and they can also learn virtually and smartly. So now look at this, how it works. Before explaining our working principle, I want to show you some research. According to the report from Times of India, 15 million blind are in India. That is so much a worse condition. Now I will explain you how it works. As we all know, blind people can understand only the braille script. Braille script, it was represented by 6 dots. So in the same manner, same principle, I use it in the braille screen. I use this six solenoid for making the braille screen. So now I will explain you how it works. This is our braille screen. This is your Arduino Uno processing unit, and this is your input source. For example, I want to set up this system in a smart class for the blind. So this is our input system from where the teacher give the command, and this is a blind screen from where the blind people can touch it and understand what a teacher want to teach us. And this is a processing unit. Basically what we have to do, when we give the command from the computer or the internet, that command will goes to the this Arduino Uno, which convert a normal language into a particular tactile braille language, and this processing unit gives the command to our relay module, and the particular solenoid will inscript that according to the pattern of tactile braille language, and from where the blind people can touch it and understand. Now I will show you how. Now I will show you the live demonstration. You can see I can type A. Now when I enter A, we all know that a one dot is the symbol of A, and the one solenoid will inscript up. Now I will type MAN. Now here you can say that MAN. So in this way we can inscript every alphabet. In this way we can teach the blind people using the internet and the computers. Thank you.